Hello guys, this is Khadija. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's make yummy Gulab Jamun. So let's get started. First step, we need to make sugar syrup. So first turn on the stove and keep it on the medium flame. Now in a pan, add 3 cups of sugar for 3 cups of water. I'm so excited to do it because this is my first try that I am doing alone. Usually my sister helps me to do cooking stuffs. So I'm doing alone today, so I'm very excited to do it. Next, after adding water, just mix it up. Have you ever made Gulab Jamun? Comment below. Keep the temperature up to 180 degrees Celsius. Or if you don't have a thermometer, then just wait till it turns up to thick consistency. Finally, add 2 cardamom and few drops of roasted. Sorry for the inconvenience, I couldn't capture it. Next step, let's make the dough. We need 100 grams of butter, 300 grams of flour, 400 grams of milk powder, and half teaspoon of baking powder. In a bowl, add flour, milk powder and mix them well. Mix them well until there are no difference between flour and milk powder. And next, add butter and baking powder and mix them well. And then add little by little cold water and knead well. You should knead well as much as, because the dough should be very soft. And while frying, it won't be cracked or separated if you knead well. Next, I am taking half tablespoon to make medium size of round balls. This is the main part of making Gulab Jamun. Knead well while you are making balls, then it won't be cracked. I have taken the hot pot to fry them, as well as you can fry it on the gas stove. Next, in a pan, add oil to fry. The maximum temperature of oil should be in 280 degrees Celsius. Till the oil gets heated, let's shift the sugar syrup into a bowl. Make sure that the oil is being heated. Now fry the balls which we have made it in rounds. Fry until color changes to golden brown. Finally, put the balls in the sugar syrup and let the balls absorb the syrup. Now your yummy Gulab Jamun is ready. Enjoy it very well. Yum!